Hello students, let us continue the session on revision in the chapter fraction and decimals. 83rd question is to convert 5201 gram to kg. To convert gram to kg or kg to gram, we must know the conversion that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Since 1 kg is 1000 gram, 1 gram will be equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So 5201 gram will be equal to 5201 multiplied by 1 by 1000 kg. Here, count the number of zeros. We should have those many decimal points. So it is 5.201 kg. Hence we have converted grams into kg. Question 84. Convert 2009 paise to rupees and express the result as a mixed fraction. Here we should know that 1 rupee will be equal to 100 paise. So 1 paise will be equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Therefore, 2009 paise will be equal to 2009 multiplied by 1 by 100. We get in terms of rupees 20.09. This rupees 20.09 they have asked us to write in a mixed fraction. We all know that 0.09 is 9 by 100. So it is rupees 20 added to rupees 9 upon 100. So in the mixed fraction we have rupees 20 integer 9 by 100. Question 85. Convert 1537 centimeter to meter and express the result as an improper fraction. Here we should follow the same procedure. We should know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meters. Hence 1537 centimeter will be equal to 1537 into 1 by 100 meters. This will be 15.37 meters. They have asked us to convert in terms of improper fraction. So this will be same as 1537 divided by 100 meters. This one is improper fraction. And 15.37 is the conversion of centimeter to meters. Question 86. Convert 2435 meter to kilometer and express the result as a mixed fraction. Here 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 1 meter will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Hence 2435 meter will be equal to 2435 multiplied to 1 by 1000, which will be 2.435 kilometer. To convert this as a mixed fraction, let me divide this particular number 2435 divided by 1000. Both these numbers are divisible by 5. So first let me divide. We get 487 upon 200. Now to express in a mixed fraction, let's divide in a long division method. 202 times is 400, hence the remainder is 87. Therefore, the number can be expressed as 287 upon 200 in kilometers. This is a mixed fraction, which is a simplified mixed fraction of the given number. This question is to arrange the fractions in ascending order. To arrange in an ascending order, we should write them in increasing order. So we should know how to compare the fractions here when the denominators are different or the numerators are different. First we need to make them with the same or a common denominator. Here the denominators are 3, 4, 2 and 6. Let us first find out the LCM of these denominators. When I divide by 2, 3 is written as it is, 2 2 times, 2 1 time, 2 3 times. Further 2 is there, so we'll divide by 2, retaining the remaining numbers. Now 3 1 time. So the LCM will be 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 3, which is 12. Now we'll write each one of them as denominator 12. So 2 by 3 is same as 2 by 3. I need to multiply some number to both numerator and the denominator to make 12 in the denominator. The same thing should be done to all these numbers to get the common denominators. So 1 into something, 2 into something, that should give denominator 12. Now let me change the color of the ink. Let's find 3 4 times is 12, so 2 should be multiplied by 4. We get 8 by 12. 4 should be multiplied to 3, so 3 multiplied to 3 is 9. 2 should be multiplied to 6, so 1 multiplied to 6 is 6. 6 should be multiplied to 2, so 5 2 times is 10. Now you compare these numbers. Here the smaller one is 6 by 12, which is lesser compared to 8 by 12, which is further lesser compared to 9 by 12, further lesser compared to 10 by 12. That is 6 by 12 is same as 1 by 2, less than 8 by 12 is same as 2 by 3, less than 9 by 12 same as 3 by 4, less than 10 by 12, which is 5 by 6. Hence we have written the numbers in ascending order. Remember, you must make use of the symbol greater than or less than when you solve these questions. Don't follow a shortcut method. This is the method you must follow in writing the number in ascending or descending order. Here we have a similar question. Question is to write in a descending order, so we need to write a larger number first. First identify, do they have the common denominator or a common numerator? No, they don't. So we need to find the common denominator. Let me find the LCM of the numbers 7, 8, 5 and 4. The number is having even numbers, so let's divide by 2. 7 written as it is to 4 times, 5 written as it is to 2 times, further divisible by 2, 7 written as it is 2 times, 5 one time, one more time 2 is there, so we get 7 as it is, 2 one time, 5 and 1 divisible by 5, so the remaining numbers write as such. Now 7, so all the numbers are divided now. The LCM will be the product of 2 3 times multiplied, 5 one time multiplied, 7 one time multiplied. 2 cube is 8, 8 5s are 40 multiplied to 7 is 280. So we got the LCM as 280. Now we shall write all these numbers: 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 4 by 5, 3 by 4 with the denominator as 280. So 6 by 7, I need to multiply some number so that 280 is obtained as a denominator. Same way 7 by 8, I need to multiply numerator and denominator by some number to get 280 in the denominator. 4 by 5, we need to multiply some number to both the numerator and the denominator to get 280 in the denominator. Now let me change the color. Let me guess what should be multiplied. Now 7 is the number, so the remaining thing should be multiplied. 5 times 8 is 40. So we need to multiply 40 to both numerator and denominator. We got 240 by 280. Now there is 8. 2 cube is 8. So 35 has to be multiplied. So 35 times 7 is 245. Now 5 is there. So 5 if we remove, 8 times 7, which is 56 to be multiplied. So when we multiply 56 with the 4, we get 224. Now 4 to be multiplied with, here it's a 8, which is 4 times 2. So 10 into 7, 70 has to be multiplied. This is how you need to guess the numbers. Now compare these numbers. Now I need to write the larger first. So 245 divided by 280 has to be written first, which is greater than 240 divided by 280, which is greater than 224 upon 280, which is greater than 210 by 280. That is 245 by 280 is nothing but 7 by 8 greater compared to 6 by 7, which is greater compared to 4 by 5, which is greater compared to 3 by 4. Remember friends, this is the method you all must follow. Next question number 89. Write 3 by 4 as a fraction with the denominator 44. I'll write 3 by 4. I need to guess the numerator now to get 44 in the denominator. Remember, on multiplying some number to both numerator and the denominator, we have got 44 here. So what should be multiplied here? When you multiply 4 11 times, we get 44. So 11 has to be multiplied to 3, I get 33. Therefore, this number 3 by 4 and 33 by 44, they are Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Their value on simplification will give us the same fractions. Similar is the question in question number 90. 5 by 6 has to be written with the numerator as 60. So 5 by 6, let me consider this as numerator 60. So denominator we need to guess. So 5 by 6 is multiplied with certain number to get 60 in the numerator. Now I need to guess the number. Here we go. 5 times 12 is 60. So 6 times 12 is 72. What does it infer? This infers that 5 by 6 and 60 upon 72 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Question 91. Write 129 upon 8 as a mixed fraction. To write the given number in a mixed fraction, we go for long division. Let's divide. 8 1 times is 8. 4 remains. So we have to take 9 as a carry forward. 8 6 times is 48. Hence the remainder obtained is 1. So it is written as 16 1 upon 8. So this 16 1 upon 8 is a mixed fraction of the given number 129 upon 8. This is the answer. Question 92. Round off 20.83 to the nearest tenths. When we are rounding off the nearest tenths, we have to look at the digit at tenths place. Here we have the digit at tenths place is 3. So the estimated value of 20.83 to the nearest tenths is 20.8, because the reason is 3 is a number which is smaller than 5. Question 93, again it's a rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Now I need to write the estimated value of 75.195 to the nearest hundredth. That will be 75.20. The reason is 9 is a number larger than 5. I need to estimate this digit to the next value. Sorry, a 5 is a number which is larger compared to 4. So this has to be increased by 1. Let me write it here with a different color. This has to be plus 1. When plus 1 is done, it becomes 10. So 1 is added here. This becomes 2. And the remaining digits we have to write it as 0. Next question, 94th question. We need to estimate to the nearest tenths. So let me write the estimated value. This will be 28. because it's a nearest tens. 8 is a number larger, so this has to be increased by, sorry, 9 is a number which is larger than 5, so this next digit has to be increased by 1, so it becomes 28.0. With this question, I'll end today's session. We shall take up some more questions in the next session. Thank you.